Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to World Geography with M.Adnan. Today's tutorial is related to how can we make a hydrology map of any area with the help of DEm. So its first step is that you clip your area DEm and then you simply apply on its fill tool. This step I'm already done. So now you can see this of my fill and this my simple DEm data, which I'm classified in 5 classes. But now we going to further more steps. For it, now we need a flow direction, so we apply this to flow direction. Okay, so this is the flow direction. Now we select, here we give the fill one, and then we give it simple output path. Here we keep Punjab DEm flow direction. Okay, and I am write it in a short form flow dir, it means direction. Okay, simple. Okay, now it will later take time, so I let it skip the video. So now as you can see, our DEm data which have a flow direction, now we have a flow accumulation. For further estimation, flow accumulation. Okay, so now we select is spatial analysis one, and here we go with flow direction. Okay, and if you have any weightage raster data, so you keep it here, but if you not, so you can leave it as a blank. So this is the default value, it will be given, and now we give it as a flow accumulation, ACC. Okay, this is a short form of accumulation, and I'm okay. It will also take some time, so I skip the video. Okay viewers, so as you can see, our flow accumulation is done, and now we just open this to convert flow accumulation to stream. So for it we use raster calculator. One more thing I want to show you that for a good order, it's depend on your area which value you want to keep for the stream, as I'm showing its properties. So it depends on your area. When we're going to classify it, then we go to classify. Here the highest value is around 2. The lowest value is around 2 36,736 3,67,850. Okay, so this is the lowest value, but we keep in the stream lowest order has a around 3,000. So now I just open the raster calculator, and here we give the flow accumulation must be greater than for the stream 3,000. So you need to check your value as according to your area. So I'm keep this value as a default. Okay, it's 3,000. Now I'm just going to select its output as a stream, Punjab DEm stream. Okay, so further it will be in the raster. You can convert it into the vector. If you need the stream order, so you use the stream order, then you convert it into the feature. But after that we estimate the basin, because we just need the basin and the stream order. So I literally skip the video because it's taking time. Is a very large area, is around complete province. so we will be further estimate its basin after done it. So viewers, as you can see, it's done, and we just get these two values 0 and 1. Now we use the stream order tool, stream order. Okay, so now here we just give this raster data and with direction, this one, the stream which is already in the raster now, and here will be the direction, and simple open it's, so we call it is a stream order. I'm short here the name of it as a stream order. Okay, so it will be also in the raster data, so we will be convert it into the vector. So it will be done after some minutes, so I'm let us escape it. So before converting this raster into the vector, we also search for the basin, and here we type basin and simple search. There we get a basin tool. This one we will be used because we not need watershed, we need the basin. So here we give its basin like this with a stream direction. Okay, simple, we need a stream flow direction, so we give the stream flow direction one, and here we get its output Punjab DEm Basin. Okay, it's also in the raster. We will be convert it into the vector to raster to polygon tool. So we done these two with equally, so one will be done this, and then second will be started. So I let it escape because it's taking time. So okay viewers, as you can see, stream order done, basin is done. Now we convert the basin into raster to polygon because it's in the raster data. So we use raster to feature tool, raster to feature or raster to polygon. These are all same. Feature to raster is present, but raster to feature is also will be present there. Yeah, here is a raster to polygon. Okay, we use this one, raster to polygon, and we give the DEm basin one. Okay, and it's on the values base. Okay, and now we just simple here keep it as a basin vector, basin of Punjab. Okay, so save it and okay it. So it will be converted into the vector format, and then we will be further estimated the stream order into the feature. So we simply use here stream to feature to stream to feature to okay. So this tool will be also open, and here we give stream order. Okay, and flow direction. Okay, and here we type has a, because it's in a vector, so it's showing the vector file. We keep here stream order Punjab. See, okay, so now it's also will be done. It's taking little time, so this will be showing after completing this. And let us skip the video. So now we doing again the basin on the count feature. As you after converting the DEm into basin, of a vector. So we use this one, and we will be get its symbology like this one with a unique value of grid code. Okay, and we give it display transparency 50% because we want to showing the stream order there also. So it's a very large area, so that's why it's taking time, but it will be done. So we will be open our stream layer in it. Okay, so here you have two option for it. One, you use the basin of your DEm has a shapefile, and second, you use it as a raster. So we suggested you can use as a raster because in a vector it will be very lengthy, but it will be defined very well as you can use vector. So it's up to you. So but we here use the raster one of the basin, which we created from the basin tool. So as you can see here, the color of the basin, and this will be from this one of the raster one. Here you can see. You can also change here the color of it, and you can also get it from the classified one. So here you can select a color variation in each, like 5 colors, in which we selected this one. Okay, here we summed it like this one, the red, each will be like gray color. Okay, so this will also be, you can apply on each. So for looking good appearance, it will be like that. So it's little take time while it's uploading, so I will showing you its final view, and then our hydrology will be done. So as you can see the changes in the variation as compared to other one, so we will be showing like that, and we will be set this layer to there for good result, as you can see. So the highest value will be in the red color because it shows that here more stream orders in it, so it will be taken here. So here we change the color variation, which the area have a more stream, we give it to the light blue color. So it's up to on our need. So here we can give to a light color this, and this will be converted into the light blue. From here to also from here, this one, and this one also like this. Okay, so because we reduce its the brightness appearance, so that's why this color will be a little variation in it. So I hope this tutorial will help you in creating the basins and creating the stream order of your DEm data. So here is our final view. I going to showing you this one. So as you can see how much is it look as compared to other one. So you can try it and estimate on each your area. So thank you so much for watching. We will end here video, but first we going to select here the order, going to symbology, create the unique values, grid code, add the values. Okay, so we have a 6 orders and grid here, and here you can change also color of it with the width, the light color with a 1, and the 2 color with more than it. and with the 3 color. So it's showing the orders of the stream. Okay, and here we select it, some variation of compared to size, and here we select number 5. And here is 6. So okay, it will showing also the order of the stream as well as with a basin. So I hope this tutorial will help you to estimating hydrology of your area. So it's going to be applied now. So this look will be more different because it's showing the stream orders according to the basins of this area. So you can select size wise according to your need of the stream order. So thank you so much for watching. For more informative videos, you need to subscribe our channel and stay tuned with us. Thank you so much.